How to get an auto clicker for Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get an auto clicker for your Windows device. So let us get started. First of all, simply search for auto clicker Windows. After you search for auto clicker Windows, you should find one called OP auto clickers. So simply tap on it. Now after you tap on it, you'll need to download it. Now, if you scroll down, you should see get it from Microsoft or something like that. You will see automate mouse clicks. Now you can see other more features here. Now simply tap on download. After you tap on download, you'll get redirected to another page. Now your download will start shortly as it says right here. Now after the timer goes, it will again reload the page and then you will be able to download it. So as you can see, the download has already started. Now wait for it to get downloaded, and after it gets downloads, what you can do is you can simply set it up and then use it. And it's that simple, guys. So let us wait for it to get downloaded. So as you can see, it's downloaded. Let us open this up now. Now you can use this. You can set it up as you'd like. Now you can set your click intervals, your click options, and your click repeats, and so much more. Now there are also hotkey settings and other things. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.